video here. So this is Gary from G&H Honey Bees. So in order to get Hive 2 up and running again, I've ordered a tube of bees and we're about to do the installation. We've got Heather here. She's got an umbrella because it's just sprinkling a little bit. So let's see if we can get some action going here. Let me get that.
Take a picture of the tube so show
I
what
did.
Came in. Yeah,
I did.
okay.
All right, so I'm gonna try these.
So what it says to do. How do you know where the queen is now?
She's on this tape.
Oh, all right. You have to be careful you don't shake her. It says.
That tube is actually quite warm.
Well, too bad it wasn't a warmer day.
Yeah, too bad it wasn't like yesterday.
And it's supposed to be sunny tomorrow too. So that'll be good for them.
All right, so first things first, we have to bang the tube,
Just don't shake.
pull the cap.
Oh, you're getting loose and you don't have your gloves on. Oh dear.
Pull this out.
Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh.
There's the, ow, don't bite.
Oh.
Yeah, they're a little testy.
Okay, get your gloves on then.
So now we gotta get the queen set up.
Where's she?
She's right here,
In that little box?
in that little
Oh,
box.
Is she alive? Don't shake her. You're not supposed to shake her up.
We've got everything stapled together here. So get off there, go into the hive.
Here, you give me that and you handle the queen.
Okay, so I'll put that down there. So I've got to pop this cork out of here.
Oh, and you put this in?
Yeah.
Have a look at her, make sure she's alive.
Cork's out.
How come we got two?
I don't know, he gave me two.
In case you lose one, I guess.
So I'm just, where's that? The camera's over here, so I'm just
Do you want me to shake the little bee off of you?
twist that in there.
Is that
And
in?
there's the queen in the cage. That's in.
Can I see her? Can I see her? I can't see, the bees are in the road. Oh, she's alive.
Yeah.
Oh, she's buzzing around.
Brand new New Zealand queen. So they
Okay.
go in the, she goes on the bottom,
Right, well,
just like so.
okay.
Got one, she's,
Trying to sting you?
well, she did. She's,
Oh.
okay, so now we take the tube
Really? Ah!
and we dump out the bees.
Whoa. And stand back. And you're supposed to take the tube away, but
Yeah, you see all them bees that come out of that tube. And now we put the frames in.
on top of the bees, you'll squish them.
No, put the frames in here. Come on, girls. Do this gently. Oh, there was a bit of comb in there too.
Was there? Well, watch your hands, Gary. Oh, honeycomb thing. Okay, we'll give them that, I guess.
Just leave that up there.
Yeah. They're
I've
just...
got one up my sleeve.
Do you? Oh. Oh.
Put that in there.
And one more?
Put that in there.
So you're not squishing them or anything?
Nope.
Oh.
Ow!
Well,
Yeah, she got mad at me.
oh.
She's stuck up my sleeve.
Oh no.
I should have had my sleeves tighter. And there. Let's get,
And get the roof on?
now we got to put the mite strip in,
Oh, they give you a mite strip and all,
and that
too?
should slip in there. And they say to leave the green on there.
Okay.
And put the roof on. And there.
What about all these guys that are, we're going to shake them off? Okay.
And there we have just installed a bee package.
Okay.
So, I'll get the roof.
Where should we get these? Can these guys get out?
Oh no, they can't get out of there.
Okay.
Just shoo them a little bit. They're going to be kind of lost for a minute. Careful with them.
Well, there's two in
Yeah,
there.
I'll get them out. Come on.
And one here. There, she's gone. Okay. And they're going back, but there. Okay, quick.
And the roof is on.
Okay.
And there you have it. Okay, so I'm just going to open the entrance and let the rest of them sort themselves out. So we have some of the new bees. They're out. They're already fanning, letting everybody know where the queen is. And you can hear them. I think they're pretty happy to get out of that tube. So we'll keep you up to date on how this package installation went. They seem to be quite content with that, so I'll just let them get oriented and figure where their home is, and we should be good to go. Talk to you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.